Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm John. If it's your first time seeing this face, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I make lifestyle content. I create uni vlogs and random things in general, just everything possible you can think of. I hope you enjoy my content. If you enjoy my content, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down in the comment section what you think about this video. Today is Thursday and I don't have a class till evening. To me, I feel like my recent vlogs have been very not interesting because of the fact that all I film is about school in general. So I've been having online classes ever since I came back from uni and I've not been doing many things. I'm still wondering the kind of content I'm going to be making this December, because a lot of people will be making content that has to do with vlogmas and all of that. But me, I don't know what I'm going to be doing because there's no dirty December for me. I have exams by January and next year I'm going for my internship. So it's a tough school year. I'm in 300 levels, so the stress is there. I'm just going to go back to studying because I'm not doing anything. So I just realized I didn't show you guys the camera bag that I use in 100 level, because there's a course that was called photojournalism and the lecturer told us that everybody must have a camera for the course. If you don't have a camera for the course, you're going to fail the course and you're not going to attend the class. Then before I show you guys the main camera, I have 3 essential things, or 4. This camera charger, 2 batteries here. This is the main battery I'm using since, and this is the spare battery that I have not used. A memory card. And then we have the main camera that I came to show you guys, which is this Canon EOS 450D. This is a camera that is too old. When I searched about this camera, they told me that this camera is a very old model, and this was the exact type of camera that I was to buy for Babcock University. So when I searched up whether you can use this camera to film a YouTube video, that you can use it to film, but the protocol to use and film this, you have to plug wire, you have to plug. I cannot do this. So that's if the batteries. Oh my god, the battery is on. So, okay. Today's date is what? So guys, that's that for that. So guys, that's that for the unboxing of my camera. If that was even an unboxing video. Good morning, YouTube. I'm having kata. I'm so stressed this morning because this mass communication department wants to kill me. I just had a class now from, I think it was 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. This is currently 10:19 as you can see from my phone. The lecturer told us that we're going to be producing 4 magazines and 1 newspaper. I'm so stressed. God. I have a lot of things to do. I have this assignment to do. I need to lose my hair. I need to read my book. I need to complete my notes. I need to do many things. God. Only the degree I came to look for, and this is the stress I'm seeing. God has brought me to this school will take me out successfully. Amen. So let me go and get things done because I don't have time to talk so much today. Yeah. So I'll see you guys when I see you. And I came to talk about something I saw on this place called the internet. So this topic is kind of crucial because we can't discuss everything in detail. We can't adjust the topic. Would I say full? Because if we start to unravel many areas of this topic, we can't finish talking about. I'll be putting the video maybe after this clip or before this clip, a video where our governor of Abia State made mention of the fact that pregnant women in Nigeria will start getting paid. And when I'm hearing this, I'm getting all excited and being okay, the rights of women are finally being recognized in the country, because we live in a country where the rights of women are not even recognized. Our new people are coming up, and our new generation are knowing their rights and being able to stand for their fundamental human rights as citizens, as women in particular. Only for me to hear the amount of money that will be paid to the pregnant women. God, when will this country called Nigeria ever change? Do you know that these women will be paid 500 naira? Please, can you tell me what to use that amount of money to do? I don't know, I'm just feeling it's so uncomfortable to hear that pregnant women in Nigeria will be paid 500 naira. I did not hear 5,000. I did not hear 5,000 is even too small. I not hear 50. I did not hear 500. It's 500 naira. Now you think of what you use 500 naira to do. It's not even enough to buy Pampers right now because everything has increased. Price of goods have increased due to the bad economy that we're having right now. So it's really appalling. You're asking me what a poor woman will use 500 naira to do. Wow, like I don't even know. Like we have like developed countries, all the developed countries, France, I checked them up, even some African countries, put Nigeria one side, other African nations, Ghana, name them, they're paying them, even if the money is not like very big, but it's quite an amount that will be like sufficient for them for a while. But why will you tell me they're giving a pregnant woman 500 naira to do what, please? We have in these other developed nations, European nations, we have where a situation whereby pregnant women are paid quite an amount of money, like after delivering, and then the child after giving birth is being paid money too. Why can't that kind of situation be seen in Nigeria? Why must it always be 500 naira? Huh? I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I would like to see your different opinions in the comment section. Whether you're okay with a pregnant woman receiving 500 naira after all the stress, after laboring. Some of them go through heavy, like bad, like situations, and you're telling me after that you're compensating them with 500 naira. What will a poor woman do with 500 naira? Now you think about it and like just imagine. Like I don't even know, guys. I don't even know what to think about this in my country called Nigeria, because things are getting bad every day. So I'd like to see your different suggestions or opinions about this topic of discussion I've just put on the table this morning. I just saw this on the internet and I decided to come here and like say what I had to say concerning this topic. Drop your opinions in the comment section concerning this topic, and yeah.
Clarify this. You say that when pregnant women give birth in your facilities, they get 500 naira. Is that correct?
500 naira, yes. Yes, and the backpack.
What is the 500 naira for, sir?
Free delivery, they give you 500 naira to it could be for anything. Are you asking a poor woman what she will do with 500 naira? Some people don't have it. Yes.
Well, I'm just trying to put it